Welcome to Dr. O Solutions. My name is Oleg Nikishin. I'm founder of Dr. O Solutions. I'm a doctor of naturopathy and master of science. In this video I would like to show you how to use ozone for ear insufflation. But first we have to do the FDA disclosure and take a few seconds to read it. As well, please read the OSHA ozone safety guideline. And I'll be back in a few seconds. And now I will talk to you about how to set up and how to use the ear insufflation. In this video I will not cover the symptoms and disbalances and your body disorders, what use it for. That is simply we will do another video for that. In this video I'll simply will just show you how to set up procedures for it. So if you purchase ear insufflation kit, that's the way it comes. It's simply the ear insufflation, and it connects directly to our ozone generator. This is adapter. I love to use it. We have it in stock, so it protects the plastic connector. So that's why I'm using it all the time, and I think it's a good idea to have it. So if you need it, we do have it in stock. So it connects directly or in ear insufflation kit to our ozone generator. Now what we do, we set up the feed. This is medical oxygen tank to 1.8 liter per minute. Turn the ozone generator on, and we set up 1.8 liter per minute, which is 57 gamma. That's what is in the manual, and that's what we recommend using. When you use less flow, it creates too much concentration, and this could be damaging to your ear. Or if you set up for 1/4 liter per minute, it creates excessive pressure. That's why the setting up 1.8 liter per minute, it's kind of optimal flow for your ear insufflation. And now I can smell the ozone is coming out. I simply put it in my ears. I don't press it in, I just simply touch it, and I hear the hissing noise, and I sit and relax for 5-10, maximum we recommend is 15 minutes. Now I can smell ozone coming right to my nose and nasal cavities, and it's this very smell and fresh feeling. Okay, so we recommend first ear insufflation no more than 10 minutes, and then next follow-up session that can be done within the day or every second, every third day. That depends on your condition. I'm not going to go in pathologies in this video. Okay, we've been asked by customers if we want to bubble ozone for ear insufflation through the water. Yes, we have this solution as well, and this is a glass bubbler. We have it now in stock, and that's how you set it up. The way this glass bubbler designed, it connects directly to our ozone generator. As you can see, I set up 1.8 liter per minute, and as you can see, can you show more closer view? Okay, now it starts bubbling. It's 1.8 liter per minute. It's already bubbling. So you can see. So you connect the ear insufflation to the output. We turn the ozone generator on. As you can see, so what's happening now? Ozone going in the bubbler, bubbles through. So the way I design it, so you can just push a little bit more. Now it's stone touching touching the bottom, so you can see there's more ozone bubbles to travel through. And then ozone coming out and goes through the ear insufflation. And now what I hear the bubbling. And what it does, the bubbling makes the ozone mixture more moist. And when we test it on our ozone measuring stand, it reduces concentration from 57 gamma to about 35-37 gamma. And it will depend on the temperature of your water, obviously. So when you bubble ozone through the water, you can extend your ear insufflation session to 20 minutes if you wish, because it's a less concentration, more moisture going to your ears. It's much easy for, especially from the beginners, to handle that kind of oxidation. So this video was about ear insufflation. So please join our group, Medical Ozone Research group on the Facebook. We have a group. You have to ask to join it. Please put your questions there, your reviews, or you can ask the whole group the question about ozone, or some people asking simply natural health question on it as well. We have a Facebook page. You can like it, and then you will keep updated with all our products. So in this video we cover ozone insufflation kit, and I will be back in the next video.